channel. I hope you all are doing good. We are back with another video on modeling, and today's topic is how to join modeling agency. Before getting into anything or starting anything, we should know what is modeling agency. Modeling agencies are companies who handle different kind of talents and then they provide those talents to different clients. So basically, modeling agencies are the mediocre between clients and models. Clients are basically all kind of brands, designers, photographers and all those people. And by talent I mean models, actors, dancers and different kind of artists. They don't just hire models, actors, photographers, they do also hire stylists, makeup artists and all those people who work behind the camera. Every modeling agency has many agents and managers who gives work to all the talents and models. So modeling agency is not an institute of learning modeling. It is a company which provides you work directly. It won't teach you how to walk or how you have to be prepared for photo shoot. If you join a modeling agency, you will have to start working directly. They won't teach you that. Like I have always said that modeling agencies does not take any charges to join them if you are joining a valid agency. If they are valid, they will not charge you anything. Even after saying this, a lot of people asked me if this agency is valid. They are asking for like 1,000 or whatever. Even a single penny you don't have to pay them. If they are asking, then they are not valid at all. They are fake. It's not like you can't do modeling without agency. Of course you can do. A lot of models are there in the industry who works as a freelancer. So with them, they have to deal with everything. They have to manage their budget. They have to speak to the client. That is the most important thing. So yeah, you can work without modeling agency, but it's always safer to work with agency because they know the valid companies, the valid clients, so you don't fall in a trap if you are with an agency. So let's see profits of having modeling agency. The most profitable part of having modeling agency is that you don't have to worry about anything. They are there for you to manage all your work, bookings, travel, money, everything. So all the bigger brands, designers, they book models only through modeling agencies. So if you have an agency, then there are higher chances. Of course, you are going to work for all those big brands and designers. If you are freelancer, then it's not really going to happen. If compared with freelance models, agency models get any day higher payment than them. Why I always say that you don't need portfolio, because if you join an agency, they themselves build your portfolio. You don't need portfolio before joining an agency because they just look at your Polaroid and later on, if they hire you, then they build your portfolio according to your personality. So if you get your portfolio with an agency, if you join the agency and then you get your portfolio done, it is going to have a very professional touch because they only give you to a professional photographer for your portfolio. If you're working with an agency, then they will send your profile to every client, let it be bigger designers or normal clients, they will send it to everywhere. Then your probability of getting work is higher. When you join modeling agency, if it is a good level of modeling agency, they definitely ask you if you want to do international modeling and then they only pitch you to the international market also. For people who want to be international models, then you have no options. You have to join modeling agency because international agencies does not take profiles directly. You need to have a mother agency in India itself. People who are looking forward to work for international brands like Gucci, Prada or Victoria's Secret, you have to get a modeling agency here. If you are working as a freelancer, then you have to send your invoice after a shoot, and then after you send it, it takes 90 days for your payment to reach till your pocket. But if you have a modeling agency, it just takes 30 days and you can directly ask the agent if the payment is there or not. If you are not from fashion background or if you don't know any single thing about this industry, then I will definitely suggest you all to join an agency, because if you are freelancer and nobody at all knows you in the industry, then you are not going to get the work. You just struggle in the industry to find work for at least 2 to 3 years until people start to notice you or to know you. But if you join the agency, it doesn't matter if you are very new, because they send your profile to everyone, and that's how people start getting to know you, and then they recognize your face. In an agency, you are safe from the fake people and all the fraud people in the industry, because I know a lot of people who have faced they have shot for a certain brand or for a certain client, and after the shoot they didn't get the payment at all. Till date they haven't received any payment, and they just disappear. They block you from WhatsApp, Instagram, whatever. So all those things do happen in this industry, and if you are alone on your own, then it is risky. So it's better to have an agency. There is one more point. It's like, if you have an agency, you cannot do freelancing modeling. If you are caught doing freelancing modeling with an agency, then you have to give a big amount to the agency as a fine. So if you are with an agency, you are with an agency.
Better be safe.
Better be safe. The next topic is, how do modeling agencies earn? So let's know how is the payment flow if you are working with an agency. Modeling agency is managing you. Of course, they will charge something. They are not doing it for free. If they are not charging you to join them, they charge you for the shoots. Let me explain you. Client comes to the agency, and agency provide their models to the client. So whatever is the budget decided for a particular shoot, clients pay that money to agency. Agency take its 30% cut through all the shoots. Like if you are doing 2 shoots in a month, they'll take 30 for each shoot. The client has paid to the agency took its 30%, and the remaining amount is for the model. Conclusion is, from 100, 30% is for the agency, 70 is for the model, but 10% is deducted for the tax from the model's account. So the next most important thing is requirements to join the modeling agency. The most important thing is, again, you need to have a very good Polaroids. You need to get Polaroids clicked at your home, in your phone, with plain black top and bottom with plain background. And that is the most important thing, because that's how you will mail them. If you don't know what is Polaroid, do watch my video on how to click Polaroids. You will get everything to know about Polaroid. Link is given below in the description box. Next thing is, you have to be fit in body type. You need to have a lean and fit body for both males and females. For males, you have to be 6 and above, and for females, you have to be 5'7" and above. You can, but it is rare for people under those height categories to get work. All the good modeling agencies are based in Bombay or Delhi. So if you come to these cities to meet them, or to just know or to apply them, then it's the best, because you will not find modeling agencies which are valid and good in Jaipur or Bangalore or Hyderabad or in Kashmir. So it's better you come and visit Delhi or Bombay. Let's know top 5 modeling agencies in India. First is Inega, second is Anima, third is Face Management, fourth is Feed Talent, and fifth is Runway Lifestyle or Times Talent. Let's know the best agencies for suitable work. If you want to do campaigns, TVCs, runways, and big brands and international modeling, then you know the spot. It's Inega. They give you everything. And if your goal is to work international only, then you can join Anima Creative. If you want to do creative work like editorials, magazine cover like GQ, Vogue and everything, then you can go with Face Management. Feed Artist is also a very good agency which provides all kind of work. So if you don't get into these agencies, then definitely you can try that. Runway Lifestyle and Times Talents are the agencies where you will get best runways in India. If you want to do Lakme Fashion Week and Bombay Times or all the Times runways, then you can join these agencies. You can do Miss India, Miss Diva and all those kind of things. Or you can do TVCs, music videos, those things you can do with both of the agencies. Apart from these agencies, there are other agencies also which are there in the market, but majority work are with these agencies. So let's jump into the most important part, how to apply to these agencies. The first and right way to apply for a modeling agency is through their website. You can go to a social media or you can just Google it, their name, and then you will find a website. Click on it, and then you'll find a link of submission for models. And on that you can apply. That is the perfect and rightest way to apply to an agency. So when you'll open the site, you'll find this submission. There you have to mention your name, age, height, whatever. It will come like a form like this. This will be the form. On the form you have to write all your details, and then you will find something like this where you have to submit your Polaroid. And by clicking the submit sign, your profile will be sent to the particular agency. Think the submission didn't work for you, then you can apply through mails. If you'll visit their website or even social media, they must have mentioned their email ID for submission or their scout's email ID. So you can mail your profile on that email. A lot of you asked me what do we write in the mail. So let's see what all things you have to write in. Starting with your profile, you don't have to write an essay for the mail. You just have to add your profile, and your profile is your name, age, height. Most important, your contact number, your size and measurement, like just bust, waist and hips. That's all. Your height is there, your weight is not needed, your body weight is not needed in modeling. All these details, and you can also write like 4 lines for yourself, like what do you do, what do you like, and what have you studied, what are your hobbies. All those things you can write in 4 lines, not essay or big paragraph. They don't even read such kind of mails. So just all these details, and in the end you can attach your 2 photos, like normal 2 photos, and your 4 Polaroid pictures. You can definitely message them on social media, but I don't think it will make any sense. But if you think nothing is working for you, then you can just message them or DM them on Instagram or whatever, and the format will be same. And the last option to apply for a modeling agency, if you are very desperate and if you live in the city of the agency, then you can do walk-ins. According to me, agencies does not allow for walk-ins. If they do, they must have mentioned on their site a particular date or particular timing for walk-ins. As of I know, they don't really take walk-ins, but if you really wish to join the agency and if you really want to show yourself to the agency, then you can do walk-in. You can call and take their appointment, or you can just visit the address and go and meet them. So if you are planning or if you are thinking to do walk-in, then please wear black and black. Do not wear funky clothes or crazy hairstyle. Just as natural as you are in your Polaroid. Just wear that and be that, and then visit them. These are the right way to apply for a modeling agency, and if you are planning to apply, all the best. If there is any question, do let me know in the comment and DM me on Instagram. So once you send your profile to the agency, they do take time because they discuss your profile with all their agents, and if majority of the agents approve your profile, then they ask you to meet them and sign the contract. If majority of them are not sure about your profile, then they reject it. This process may take 2 to 4 weeks. And after all, if you don't hear from any agency, if they all reject you, if you don't get through any agency, still there are ways to do some work. Like there are auditions for fashion weeks, castings for TVCs, photo shoots. The most important way to get through all of these is your Instagram. You will get all the updates on Instagram, like for Miss India, Miss Diva, and for castings. Get to know some casting director's name and then follow them. They upload everything on Instagram. And even with fashion weeks, they do update auditions for fashion week before months of the fashion week, so you have a good chance having those opportunities. Request you to follow all the casting directors and fashion week pages, Miss India, Miss Diva pages, and even agents to know about all the updates of castings and auditions. Even though you don't get through any auditions or any runway fashion week castings, I will still suggest you all to visit and attend those events, because there you will find a lot of people from the industry. They are still casting in the fashion weeks and all. So if you meet those people, if you come in the eye of anyone, then it will be profitable for you. That's all. Thank you for watching. I hope you all like it. Apart from these information, if you have any questions, do comment in this video or DM me on Instagram. Stay tuned for another video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.